It went down the river. It went down the river.
Did you see the building?
Yes. Yes.
The artist building in town.
Is it the artist building?
Yeah, and Neil, don't get too close to be too big.
There's down power lines. He shouldn't go near the water.
Power lines are down there, Neil. Lots of propane blowing up.
I know, you can smell it. So Dots is probably totally underwater too.
No, it's just up, just up through the first, halfway through the first floor.
Oh my God. This is absolutely insane.